I found on AliExpress this portable digital microscope and decided to test it if it is worth using. It has built-in battery and can be charged using this USB-C port. It has built-in memory, but additionally you can connect microSD card right here, or you can access the inside memory by the USB-C port. It has 5 buttons. Turn on, here is controlling digital zoom, taking photos, and the last one is to open the gallery. Right here on the front we have this color screen. On the back we have the camera and the lights. We can control the brightness of the lights, and additionally we have also non-digital lens right here for zooming without turning on the device. And I prepared few things to test the zoom on, so let's see what's the quality of the image of this microscope. Let's turn on the device. And it's ready quite fast, and by holding those buttons we can change the brightness of the lights on the back. We can turn them off totally or turn them on using those 3 brightness, and we can just put this device to some surface and we can see zoomed in image, and by pressing this button I can additionally digitally zoom in and zoom out, and you can see what is the quality of the image. And for example, let's see this Velcro. We have 2 surfaces. Let's see this side. Here we can see the loops. And let's see the other side. And here we can see the hooks. And let's see some small text. For example, right here I have a microSD card, universal item that you know how big it is. And let's try to read the text on it. You can see for reading small text it's quite good. I can easily see the text right here. And it's quite small without the zoom, and with zoom you can easily read this text right here. And let's see this ring, how it looks like, what is the surface of it after some time of usage. You can easily see how the surface looks like. And let's also see the skin. This is how the skin looks like under this microscope. Here is a hair. And also I can take a photo by pressing this button, and I can open the gallery and here see saved photos. And here you can see the non-digital zoom, that it is also available in this device. So it is not bad. It can be useful in some situations like reading smart text or checking surfaces of some things. And you can see the link for it in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.